That's a second apartment, similar layout. You can similar layout to who? I don't know, but it's a beautiful view outside. You can see very beautiful view. And what's that? What is? It's magnet, I think. Yes, magnet. For what is this? It's that one. Nice. Okay, and this is actually bathroom. Is a guest bathroom for this. Again, the living space. The guest bathroom here, and this is one bedroom. Good kitchen. It doesn't have a balcony, but good kitchen. See, it's a room. Yeah, the one bedroom having good space storage. This area also is covered, and this one also is covered. Right? Nice. Huge space for one bedroom.